I'm Farley Schweighart. I'm a physical therapist from Arkansas, and I chose to come to Gulf Coast because of their reputation of high quality education with diagnostic ultrasound. The physicians and staff here and the faculty had great quality lectures that were very well done, very informative, and flowed very well. The hands-on scanning portion of the course, both live and the cadaver lab, was a fabulous place to practice. I'm new to this, and so this was a great place to get very detailed, very one-on-one time with experts in the field to understand what's going on and what you're scanning. This is really becoming the next step for both diagnostics and intervention with dry needling, so don't hesitate to sign up for a Gulf Coast course.